Good day, everybody. We found this up here at Big Bear Village. This guy does chainsaw carvings, all various different sizes, little tiny ones to great big ones. And I asked for his card. He's out of cards, but he's going to get his information and give it to me, and I'll include it in the video. And down in the description shows you the size with Jai standing here by him. I'll include his phone number, and this is up here in Big Bear Lake. $3.99? That's really good.
Alex, $3.99.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, they have price. This 1,400.
So the two bears is 1,400. They're about half the size of Jai. The moose,
750. 1,400.
oh, look how cute. He's got a lot of really nice ones. You got Mr. Turtle here. You see a little lizard under there, iguana, or what do you call those?
Oh, no, they have price in it.
Yeah,
How much?
he's got a lot of stuff in here. Very nice. It just goes on and on. So I'll leave his number and his contact information for anybody who's interested in one of these artworks. He's very good at it. Mr. Moose standing up.
99. This 99.
Yeah, really nice.
So cute.
Very detailed. Okay, thank you. Okay, the name is Forest Forged Art. The guy's name is Kyle. He's in Big Bear Boulevard. Phone number 909-531-3360. And we're up in Big Bear Lake. I hear the work is going on in the back. I hear a chainsaw going.
$6.89.
This bear here has got a fish on the line.
Oh, cabin sweet cabin.
And this guy up here, he's just swinging, taking it easy. It's got lots of material here, lots of art to sell. Yeah, even if you want him to make your address or something for your home. Very nice. I'm going to take a peek through the probably where I'm not supposed to be peeking site, where they have the raw lumber, and I heard a chainsaw was working in here. Yeah, they have a lot of stuff is new back here. They're just working on the size. It takes a crane and a truck to bring these big wood pieces in. We got a bear here is ready to go fishing. This one over here is telling you welcome. These guys are holding the lantern up for you. We keep the light on for you. Ah, got a mermaid over here even. Jai picked out the mermaid. The wood plays chainsaw sculptures.
Anything I happy with?
So nice.
All right.
The owl is being shy. He's looking away.
So cute.
Mama bear with her baby down here on the bottom. This is $5,500 chainsaw carving.
Wow.
5 bears on a pole here. They're all wood carved with a chainsaw. It's $6,500. Very good work.
Oh,
Here's a family of bears. It says, "Welcome to our cabin."
so
There's
cute.
4 bears here. We hope you enjoy this content. This is quite a nice spot to stop in. If you liked our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps our channel.
Out.
This is Bobby and Jila. Time to get going. Out.